What's up, young chefs? Let's get to cooking. Got a special treat for you. We're gonna be making some pork chops. Do y'all like to eat pork chops? Leave it down in the comments. And while you're at it, hit that like button and subscribe. I know what y'all thinking. Y'all never made pork chops or y'all can't make pork chops. But I'm gonna show y'all because today's gonna be my first day making them. Also, today with the pork chops, we're gonna be making some macaroni and some corn. But first, you know the deal. So today we're gonna be using the stove and the grill. Not everybody has a grill, so we're gonna show you how to make it on the stove and on the grill. I suggest you make it on the grill because it tastes a whole lot better, but if you don't have one, I'm gonna be showing you how to make it on the stove. All right, let's start this meal. Now I'm gonna take the meat out and season it, and I'm gonna tell y'all what the ingredients are. So let's take this out. All right, we just put it on there?
Yeah, just put it on there.
The first spice that I'm gonna use is cayenne pepper. It makes it hot. If you don't want it to be hot, you don't gotta add it, right, Grandpa?
Yeah.
Ooh, now we're gonna add some garlic. Make sure you don't put a lot of garlic, cause it tastes really different. Then we're gonna add some pepper. Then we're gonna use some salt. You look at that. That's some pro seasoning right there. Now we're gonna go ahead and snap to all of them. And there you go. Make sure you wash your hands. All right, now let's go to the grill. Now lift this up. God dang. Alright, now this one's gonna go inside. We close that, right? Yeah. Alright, let's get this one cooking.
So put some oil.
This one?
Yep. And you don't want to you don't want to like coat the whole thing. You just want enough, that when you move it around, you'll have enough. So I'll tell you when.
Could you use this for a car engine?
No, never. You kids out there, don't use that for car oil. Keep going. That's good. When it like moves around like water, that's when it's ready to cook.
Wow. While that's getting ready, let's go ahead and find a pot for the macaroni. Alright, we're gonna make some macaroni too. I'm not gonna go too deep into how to make it. The directions are on the box. But yeah, we're gonna make some macaroni. Let me check the oil. Yep, that seems about right.
They usually say like 5 minutes per side because you don't want to flip and flip and flip and flip. You just want to flip like one time. Yeah. In case you're wondering like if it's ready to turn, you can kind of like pick it up and check it. Just kind of peek at it, see how brown it is. Sometimes the meat absorbs the oil, so sometimes you could put more. It's not gonna hurt you.
Like on it?
No. In the pan. Alright.
hurt. Oh, that hurt. Oh, oh, oh. Smells delightful. Let's go back inside now. Let's go back inside now.
Now hold on to the top and pour it out.
I don't know how y'all can eat corn. Comment down below if you like corn, cause I never did it. I think that's good.
I'll put that spoon back in.
Good macaroni, grappo.
Get that corn.
I think those pork chops outside are done, so let's go take a look. That's that.
What do you do this for?
So keep all the steam in so it can stay hot. Let's finish up with the macaroni now that we got that out the way. Oh, and you want to stir this till you see no butter? Alright, that looks good. Now we're gonna wait for those pork chops to steam up. Alright, kiddo, eat up.
It's too chewy.
That's how it's supposed to be. I know it's good. Cut. Alright, well, that's another one done. Thank you for watching There's Food at Home. Hit that like button and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications. And I'll see you in the next one. We're eating tonight, boys. Get off of my food, mate. What's up, Sage? You're watching There's Food at Home? Something like that, right?
Yep.
Alright.
Something like that.